Hey! Look who's back! Si Ryan para magatid na naman ng kaganapan, katuwaan o maaaring kaalaman gamit ang aking camera. Got 3 minutes. Watch me! Let's do a very easy 3 ingredients pastry. So bago ang lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat. As in wow sa sobrang dami ng response para mag-subscribe, mag-like, at manood ng aking new YouTube channel. Okay! So, kukuha lang tayo ng isang bowl para pagsama-samahin natin ang ating ingredients. Ang unang-una ay ang glutinous rice. Hindi yan, yung mangkok. Glutinous rice is malagkit in Tagalog. Malagkit in English also means sticky. Use it in a sentence. Excuse me, did you wash your hand? It's kind of malagkit. After that, kukunin natin ang water with sugar. Sugar, asukal. When you go to Starbucks, this is how you use asukal. Excuse me, 1 macchiato, extra shot, 2 pump of caramel, and little asukal. So, simpleng-simple lang yung step, no? Paghahaluin natin siya, kukuha syempre tayo ng panghalo. Kukuha tayo ng panghalo. Hanggang makapag-form tayo ng dough. Yon ang pinaka-importante. Ayan, natapos na natin paghaluin ang malagkit and water with sugar, and we have our dough. So next step is to get the cheese. Cheese in Tagalog is queso. Use queso in a Filipino situation. When you witness friends being extra romantic, this is how you will react. Yuck! Queso? And that's your buche. Yes! That's it for our episode today. I hope you like it. And sa mga bagong subscriber, maraming salamat. And for you guys who haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe, like, share button. And also, please do check the notes and links down below. At para sa nadapa, naghiwalay, at sa mga pinamalas, puchi nga sa'yo!